Hello everyone. Just give me 5 minutes of your daily lifetime and I will show you an amazing project. Let me start. This is a password manager system that I have made and now I will start the restart.py first. So I will restart the program by using this program. You can see that the password manager is started successfully. I will kill the terminal and I will run the main program. Now as you can see that the program has started and as I am a new user I will enter enter ID1 name email. Now it will click my images so that it can recognize me later on. It will train the photos and it has completed the training and taken images and everything done come successfully. Now I will enter an password and it will again recognize me as the light here is some less. It has fallen some difficulty. It has recognized me correctly. Hi ABHIRUP. So I will enter the password ABCD. It will send an email to my email address that I entered. Now you can see that it is sent an email. I will copy it. I will paste it. Enter. It is opened my account and I have to save the password first. So I will save a password. Let's say Google. Let your account password be 1234566. Enter. You want to save it? Yes. Let's say another password. Say app password 258963147. Enter. Y. Enter. Now let me exit the program once and then I will rerun it. Come again soon. Now I will kill the terminal and I will rerun it. As I am not a new user now I will enter N. Enter. It will try to recognize me again. It has recognized me correctly. I will enter the password. It will send again an email to my mail. I will open it and you can see the new mail as it came. Control C. Sorry. Now I want to know the password of Google. Enter GOOGLE. Now Google's password is copied. I will paste it here. You can see that 12345 is the password that I pasted last. And I also want to know the password of app. App's password is copied. I will paste it here. Yes. And now I will exit, and if an unauthorized person is entered, then what will happen? I will show it. Come again soon. I will kill the terminal. I will rerun the program. Now I'm not a new user, so I will enter and I will press this book in front of my face so that it will not recognize my face. It is not recognizing my face. It has recognized an unknown face. So it will click my image and send it to the registered emails. It is clicking my image. This is the program that I have made to store all the passwords of any person who recently forgot password, and it can act as a multi-user program as many people can store password. So it is writing that we think that you are not an authorized person. We are informing this to the owner. If you think it is a mistake, then we are sorry. You can try rerunning the program. Now I will see the mail that any mail has come or not. You can see that a password manager alert mail has come. This is to inform you that somebody is trying to enter the password manager without authorization. Please take care of this. A picture of that person is sent to your mail. So I will see that the picture has sent or not. So you can see that here a picture is sent. Yes, it is a picture of me. Thank you. This is the whole program that I wanted to show you.